How to block user on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you block user on Instagram. To block user on Instagram, you need to follow this simple steps. First thing first, open the Instagram application and log into your account. So after you're logged into your Instagram account, this is how the interface will look. So if you want to go ahead and block the user, you first need to actually go ahead and open up their profile picture. Then tap on the three dot icon right next to it or in the top right and click on the block button. And then in order to confirm, you click on the block button, and this is the way you could block user on Instagram. And similarly, if you are unable to find the contact or the user, then you could do this by tapping on the search bar, enter in the name, and tap on the three dot icon and click on the block button. So this is the way you could go ahead and block user on Instagram. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.